Sharing the split screen with me is a complaint filed by the Mizrahi Kroub law firm, and the signing lawyer is William Downs. And so we're going to look at the accessibility issues named in this complaint. The first is the website's images and other non-text elements lack alternative text. Next says on B, it says the website includes empty links without text. And then it says for the screen reader to adequately describe the purpose of the link, there must be proper text and label descriptions. Letter C states the website's embedded and drop-down links are not compatible with the screen reader, resulting in plaintiff and the class's inability to simply navigate the web page through drop-down menus. Letter D says to properly navigate, click on links, and complete a purchase, the website necessitates the use of a mouse. And then letter E states the website does not have a mechanism to bypass blocks of content that are repeated on multiple web pages. So that is the list of accessibility issues that are claimed. These are fairly common when we're looking at the complaints filed. These issues are fairly redundant with what we have seen. There aren't too many new ones. Sometimes the way that the accessibility issues are worded is strangely, it's not entirely clear what they are getting at. So for example, when a plaintiff's law firm says not compatible with the screen reader, it's not really specifying how this is an accessibility issue that's preventing access or what the difficulty is. But we, and I skipped over some of the additional text in these different bullets, but we can see that these accessibility issues are coming up over and over again, and Mizrahi Kroub is one of the most active law firms in this space, and they've been in this space for I think several years now. But now going through these plaintiffs' law firms' complaints, it is becoming more and more clear what accessibility issues that plaintiffs' law firms are looking for. This is not to say that the issues always remain the same, but we see the same issues come up over and over again. So the way that we can significantly reduce our risk of litigation is to account for these issues that plaintiffs' law firms are looking for and claiming in litigation, and going ahead and remediating those. So again, the ADA compliance course tells your team how to find and fix these accessibility issues. And what we want to do is corner this, right? Like get to the point where we are eliminating accessibility issues and we are lowering the instances of those accessibility issues. And we are also prioritizing the issues that are most commonly claimed. So as we do that, especially for the plaintiffs' law firms that are the most active in this space, as we do that, we are going to dramatically improve the accessibility of our website and then dramatically lower our chances of having litigation initiated against us. And so going through these complaints, we now know what issues are coming up over and over again. Obviously, I'm not covering every last claim in these videos, but we can see a pattern. We can see what plaintiffs' law firms are looking for. So if you can remediate your website for these issues, then you are going to dramatically lower your risk of litigation.